Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, sorry about that. This time we have another monthly plan with me video, this time for the month of August. First, I'll be showing you what I'll be using, which is a Sakura foam art eraser, a Uni Kurutoga mechanical pencil, some Daiso soft marking pen highlighters, and a Zebra mild liner, a Tombow washi tapes. One was from Taobao and the other one was a gift from a friend. And then a Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. Zebra Sarasa gel pen, and then the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen in the hard tip. And of course, my Tsuki bullet journal, the dot grid notebook from Notebook Therapy. And yeah, let's get started. This month, I am doing a yellow and green theme, I guess. I added some paper cranes because I came up with the theme as the video progressed. So yeah, we're starting with the brush pen for the lettering. This top lettering is kind of inspired by, I think, Vanessa Journals on Instagram. I mean, okay, the calligraphy part is like anybody does calligraphy, but then she does this thing where she adds like a half drop shadow to it, which was really nice, which I will do in a bit. You will see it. And I'm using the Zebra Sarasa to outline origami cranes. I used to make a lot of these, but I also had to look them up because I forgot how to draw them because I forgot what they look like. They're pretty simple though, but I totally recommend sketching it out in pencil first. And I think the perspective is a little janky on this one. Like, I think I put the shadows in the wrong places, yeah. So sketch them out, or it's not obvious if you don't. And after this, I'm drawing in the calendar, making sure to space them out beforehand, and always draw your boxes beforehand. You'll see that I actually missed out August 31st. Like, I had to add that in later, you'll see. I also like doing rounded corners personally, just because it's a nice detail. It's not necessary, and it's kind of annoying sometimes. I also don't use a ruler because, as you can see, my lines are very wobbly. And I'm okay with that. Because if you use a ruler and you mess up, it looks really bad. But if you use no ruler, all your lines are wobbly, so nobody can tell. Yeah, fun tip for you guys. Yeah. Honestly, drawing in the grid is my least favorite part because I have to do it so carefully. Even if I'm just not using a ruler, I still want to follow the dots. But that's okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. Yeah. I'm really sorry I haven't released a video this past month. I know I tried to release like one every week, but at least for all of July, I did not have any ounce of like creativity in me to like, come up with spread ideas. I skipped like 2 weeks of July. I didn't make a single spread except for, I think, the Haikyuu ending, like the Haikyuu manga ended, and I wanted to make like a tribute spread. And that spread was honestly, half of it was just me redrawing the manga because I didn't even really use it for planning. I just wanted to draw like a frame from the manga. So yeah, totally recommend you guys to read it if you haven't watched the anime, or if you have and you just want to know what happens, because at this rate, it's going to take a few years before you find out the ending, unless you get spoiled by then. So totally recommend reading it. There's a lot of nice details that you wouldn't notice. So yeah, as you can see, I did add that drop shadow, and I'm sketching out another crane. So you can kind of see the process by which I draw the crane. And then I totally recommend to sketch it out just as I did there. And I outline it, not actually following the lines all that well. But that's okay. It's fine. It's a sketchy look. It works. So yeah. Now I think I'm adding in some washi tape. Nope, color. Yeah. I'm using green for the top part of the calendar for each day of the week. I usually just choose 1 or 2 colors just so I have a real easy setup. And then I'm adding like a random splash of color for later. That's where the to-do list will be. And I'm using the same yellow for the numbers in the calendar. That part's honestly not that important, like you could just write the numbers, but I like to stick to my color schemes. yeah, I would recommend sticking to like 2 or 3 colors unless you're feeling like real creative. Honestly, I just can't match that many colors. I can only do 2 or 3, but there are definitely some people out there who can pull off like 5. So yeah, I'm adding a drop shadow with the yellow on each of the cranes, and I used the brush pen again to write to do on the left side. And you can't see, but I went out of the frame, but that's fine, it's fine. And I'm going to write in the days of the week and the numbers next. Nope, I'm adding the washi tape. I'm really sorry, guys. This voiceover is all over the place. Yeah, I'm using this really nice light green washi tape my friend got me from Singapore. And I don't use washi tape often in my bullet journals, if you guys haven't noticed. I rarely do now because I love to draw my spreads mostly instead of like, glue in stuff or like collage. But it's nice to like combine those two things and use the washi tape because it's really an efficient way to decorate your journal. It's so low effort. You just gotta slap some tape in. I don't have to draw something real fancy in there and it still looks good. So that's efficiency right there. I use this Totoro washi tape. Okay, confession, I have not watched My Neighbor Totoro or any Ghibli film. I have not watched a single one. I know they're on Netflix. Everybody tells me to watch them. It looks so beautiful. I just really haven't gotten around to it. So drop your favorite Ghibli movie in the comments and I will watch the one that was most recommended. And obviously I'll end up watching the other ones too. School is starting in a month. That means I have a month to watch all these movies. And I get through like 1 season of anime a day, so won't be a problem. And yeah, I'm using the zebra sarasa to write in the days of the week and the numbers. That's pretty smart. And this is the exact moment where I realized I was missing August 31st. So no problem, just use a bit of whiteout and just close it up. If you look closely, most of my spreads actually do have a mistake in them. Like I had to use whiteout or even cut up a new piece of paper just to cover it up. But that's the part of bullet journaling that you just gotta learn to embrace. Yeah, I'm adding some plant details with the green. These are pretty simple, just little like stems, vines sort of thing with the alternating leaves. Super easy way to decorate, fill space, make it look cute. And then the easiest trick is to just draw little plus signs, like sparkles and little circles, so that it looks like stars, glitter, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's it for that part of the spread, I think. Nope, more plant details. Yeah. And then after this, I will be starting on the habit tracker portion of the spread, which I did not fill out last month, but honestly, last month was kind of rough. It's fine. I will fill out this one now. And yeah, these tracker spreads are very general. If you've watched my other videos, they're literally the same. Since May, I have been doing this one over and over again. But if you're new, welcome. Thank you for watching this video, and I will explain what is happening. So I use this spread as a meal tracker and a habit tracker combined. I see a lot of people do multiple spreads, but honestly, it's already a challenge for me to fill out one of these. So I can't imagine how people can track their mood, their chores, their habits, and their food, and their like expenses or whatever. So I just keep it really simple because my life is very simple right now. Yeah, I have the days 1 to 31 on the left side, and then I have a section for activities, so whatever exercise or movement I do that day, and then breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. Most days, the snack section does include some sort of junk food, even though one of my habits is to not eat junk food. I honestly have been eating like a lot of chips because they're so good. I did a simple lettering style for the title, just write it in with marker and then go over it again with the pen, but just kind of offset. It's a really nice way to add a bit of detail, or it makes it 3D. It's like a reverse drop shadow. I'm really sorry, I'm explaining it really poorly. And I divide the thing into weeks. Even though that's not really necessary, I kind of just like doing that. Like I started doing it in June, and it was really nice to have it like that for some reason. And I didn't fill in my habits on camera, but it's fine. You could add whatever you want. You can give yourself more space or less, but that's about it for that side of the monthly setup. That's about it. So yeah, this one was actually really simple. It didn't take that long, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my Instagram, TikTok, and Etsy shop at lexiesdesk. I'm releasing these stickers soon. I say that all the time, but I promise it's real this time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!